How to install Google Gemini as a desktop app, easy step-by-step PC tutorial in this video. I am going to show you how to install Google Gemini as a desktop app on your PC and access it like a normal application without opening your browser every time. Google Gemini is a powerful AI assistant from Google that can help you write content, answer questions, summarize information, generate ideas, and assist with everyday tasks. While there is no traditional Windows desktop application available from Google, you can easily install Gemini as a desktop-style app using your browser's app installation feature. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows PC and go to the official Gemini website. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account so you can access all available Gemini features. Once the Gemini website loads, look at the address bar at the top of Chrome. If the website supports app installation, you will see an install icon near the right side of the address bar. Click on that install icon, then select the install option when the confirmation window appears. Chrome will automatically create a Gemini app on your computer. After installation, Gemini will open in a separate window, just like a regular desktop application. You can now find Gemini from your Windows Start menu and open it anytime without manually launching Chrome and searching for the website. If you want faster access, you can also pin the Gemini app to your taskbar. Simply open the app, right-click its icon on the taskbar, and select the option to pin it. If you are using Microsoft Edge instead of Chrome, the process is very similar. Open Gemini in Edge, click the three-dot menu, go to Apps, and choose the option to install the website as an app. Keep in mind that this method creates a progressive web app, also known as a PWA. It provides an app-like experience, but it still uses the web version of Gemini and requires an internet connection. Here's a pro tip. After installing Gemini as an app, enable notifications if you want faster updates and keep your browser updated to ensure the best performance and compatibility. That's it. Now you know how to install Google Gemini as a desktop app on your PC and use it with a cleaner, faster app-style experience. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you prefer using Gemini as a desktop app or directly in your browser.